23.
Oui.
23 celle-là. C'est ça.
Ok.
Ici c'est ça. 35.
C'est ok.
Tu comprends bien?
C'est marqué là.
Oui.
Oui. Merci beaucoup.
Ok.
Là.
La différence.
35.
Oui.
Mhm.
1 mètre.
Oui. It depends on the distance you
Oui,
have
le
to
prix
check.
pour le pour.
The tiles that we need has to be at least 35. It's 62,
62.
and the tiles we need has to be 35.
So that's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah.
What about the but on top of the kitchen is less?
Flatter, yeah. But
Yeah.
now would you keep the different tiles there to differentiate the two buildings or not? And this is the roof tiles. We've chosen this piece here. And what I mentioned is the design will have here a diamond, and then another diamond here, and one in the far corner. It all depends on the delivery time of those grey-white tiles. We'll see how that works. So, there was holes in the stone, so it burned certain parts of the wood structure of the roof. Luckily, the building didn't burn down, but they fixed that with the insert and this tube. One at this chimney and one on the chimney down there. And it's by law required when you have an insert, you need to have this tube as well. Otherwise, you cannot use it. And now I'm balancing again to go downstairs. Oui.
It's broken, so you have to get new one.
Yeah.
Both are cassé. Both are cracked. You see that? That
Yeah,
also.
but the other one up there is okay. On top there.
Okay. So combien tu besoin de encore un? Oui.
Ça c'est le même, comme là-bas.
On peut prendre.
Je sais pas.
Oui. I take this.
Mhm.
We loaded the chiffon, the 75 by 110, 20 pieces. They did have an additional in stock, but they had been reserved. And to order them again, there's a delay of wood here in France. So I'll be heading back. I'll be back in about 40 minutes again with these items. We got some nails also needed for this 140 long. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, see you guys. Yeah, today they continue with the roof, the next layer. They call Volish. This piece is 18 by 200, 4 meter long. After that we put the protection film, and then it'll later be more wood there on top again for called lat in French, and then we're attaching the roof tiles. The gas that he uses for the nail machine. Never seen it before. I usually seen it with an air compressor, but this is I guess when you're working at high heights, you don't have an air compressor handy. You have this system. This is the top layer, under layer. So water cannot penetrate, but it can breathe. so there's a moisture build-up underneath. The difference, we built a house or renovated a house in Sweden. They have a black roll which is made out of polyester, then sand top and bottom, so it's compounded in that way. The plus of that is that one you can walk on even though you're working on. This film here, the roofer said you have to be careful, so once you put it down you don't step on it, or because if you cut it accident with a nail or shoe torn, then it's lost its function completely. So that's what it's with this. So we have ordered from Sweden the roofing for the other parts of the renovations we're going to do, so we'll have that in stock when needed.
Ouais.
Plus creuse.
Ouais.
Comme ça va descendre mieux.
Non, justement, t'es dans le contrat.
Yeah, I'll be taking you guys up on the roof so you can get an idea of the work we're doing so far. At the moment we're putting up the gutters. Down there at the far end. Underneath here, the hooks they placed every 40 centimeters, about 40 centimeters. And the welding here, and they're testing the water.
Voilà
Yeah.
qui arrive.
Oui, ça arrive.
On n'a pas mis 500 litres.
Oui, non.
On va aller il faut de l'eau hein, pour que ça arrive. Tu vas voir le niveau gros s'il te plaît?
It comes here, and then the roof tile.
Et il n'y a plus rien, je sors plus là. Et après il pleut un coup, c'est fini. Hein. Le toit il est bardé.
He mentioned that the old drain here that goes down to the bottom, that was blocked. Just there, it's blocked, full of things in the trees, completely blocked. So we need to clean that out. They have in Sweden an item that you put at the bottom of the pipe going down, which has a kind of net which collects all the leaves and all the other items that end up from the trees. So I think I'll have to get that here because I'm not sure they have it. I've been looking for it here, I don't see it. Because they have an item they put on top here like you've seen on previous videos. It's a net piece they have here like that. That's what they normally put. We're waiting for the tiles and the side pieces. We went with an ornamental style. Instead of putting a sink on the side of the building, on the side of the roof, we went with terracotta tiles, similar to there was before, but more ornamental, more decorative, I can say. This is the gas when we do the welding of the sink. We saw one bottle in the local hardware store. It was 162 euros.
Pas trop près parce qu'on va cramer le machin.
Oui. You see the blue flame there? They say don't come too close because it will melt everything because it's hot. Yeah, what I was just talking about, this you see on the top there, the terracotta top piece. Oh, let me fix the camera. We go there. The terracotta top piece we have there. That is going to run all the way down to the edge here, and the same on the other edge. We hope we get those next week because I just spoke to the roofer. We need those before we can lay the tiles. So it's we don't know how we're going to do, because if we wait too long, we won't get on the roof tiles as fast as possible to make the roof 100% watertight. Because of that, the grey cover that we put on, it's only waterproof in the way if it won't hold all the water if it rains. That's what the roof tiles are for. We had that roof left, and you can see how bad it is. So that's the next step. If we don't get the roof tiles on time, we'll start to take this roof down and fix this. Finally received all the roof tiles after waiting weeks for them. But now, what are we missing? The roofer. He's gone on a 2 weeks, not holiday, he's gone 2 weeks to go and harvest grapes. And he does this every year. I just found this out a few days ago. And I just checked the weather, and guess what? They have forecast rain for 4 days. Fingers crossed it won't be non-stop, but we'll see. We'll be showing the work we have done in the wall garden in the next block instead. It all depends on the rain. If there's no rain, it'll be the roof, but we'll see how it goes.
Oh yeah. Oh wow. Ah, so joli. C'est plus joli que le château. Oh.
Point le masque de
Oui.
Koh-Lanta.
Wow, c'est joli. J'aime bien. C'est Johan qui est choisi. We sand blasted this, and the color, that's what is before, and this is after. The brick color is beautiful and it's really smooth. It's nice to get to see this. It's gonna be nice when we repointing it.
Yeah.
It'll be too. Oh my gosh!
I think it's not planted too many.
Look at this! Oh my gosh! You see? Oh, it's a big look at compared to Johan's eyes. Look at how big it is. And they're not old, not hard. Wow, look at it.